Synovial joint is any part of the body where two or more bones meet together. So you've got a shoulder joint, knee joint, ankle joint, elbow joint, hip joint, anywhere where two or more bones meet. We've got an image here of the knee joint. Now, the problem is when learning about this topic, if you were to type into Google knee joints or look at another joint, you're going to get hundreds and hundreds of different images, all with different labels, all showing different parts and different sections of a joint. This joint here, the knee joint, is taken from a previous AQA exam. So it's one that they're likely to use again in the future. So it's a good one to learn. We've got the two bones then that make up that join together at the joint. So we've got the femur, which is the thigh bone, and the tibia, which is the shin bone over here. We've got a ligament joining the two bones together, because that's what ligaments do. They join bones to other bones. And we've got a tendon, which joins a muscle to a bone. So tendons coming over the top of the knee over here. We've then got the bursae, which is a fluid-filled sac, which is at the outer edge of the knee over here. The cartilage, which is a bit like a shock absorber, the cartilage, which is found over here and over here and prevents the bones rubbing together. We've got the synovial fluid here, which lubricates the knee. The synovial membrane helps to create that fluid, and that's over here. And finally, you've got the outer edge of the joint, which is the joint capsule. So that's sort of what holds, the joint is held within the joint capsule, and this is the joint capsule over here. So joints are really important for allowing movement, but as well as this, they reduce the chance of injury by stopping the bones rubbing together and preventing friction. And that's really what you might get asked about on an exam, is how certain parts of the joint help to prevent injury. And they all really do the same thing. They stop the bones rubbing together and preventing friction. So if you were asked about the synovial membrane, for example, you can say that the synovial membrane maintains the synovial fluid lubricant, and this helps to prevent injury by stopping the bones rubbing together and preventing friction. The synovial fluid, you can say the synovial fluid is a liquid that lubricates the joint. This prevents injury by stopping the bones rubbing together and preventing friction. So this answer here is really important for each part of the joint.